Stick around this video because I am about to show you a legit way to build an online business that makes you between $100 and $400 or more, or its equivalent in other currencies, every 4 hours using free Google Map app on your phone, your laptop, your tablet or desktop. This is no joke, this is no clickbait. In addition to your device, you will only need one more thing, and that is internet connection. Just in case you never knew, there are different interesting ways to make money online with a Google Map, and I'm about to reveal one of the best of them to you in this video, but only if you stick around. Curious to know? Then keep watching. The make money online method that I want to show you in this video does not only work for Nigerians. I live in Nigeria, but anywhere you are globally, this make money video will work for you if you can take the few simple actions that I will show you in the next few seconds. Mind you, you don't want to skip any part of this video because any 1 second you jump on this video timeline could just mean you jumping over $1. And the good part of this is that you can resign your current job and face this make money online opportunity full-time working from home. And personally, I have made over $1,000 from this same business within the last 7 weeks. So I am talking about a business that I know some deep information about. So how do you start making between $100 to $300 every 4 hours using the free Google Map app? What we'll be doing with our Google Map is to track Google business profiles, and that's how we are going to be able to make our money with this app. Now to the first tip. I will personally advise that while you start your business tracking, as I will soon show you, you should be targeting small businesses. Though in theory, big businesses could make you more money in 1 hour than a small business will make you in 4 hours. But in practice, making money from tracking smaller businesses is a lot easier for you. So if you're just starting out this business, you can just track small businesses in your local area where you live, or you can track small businesses anywhere around the world, as long as you understand and can read, you can write or speak their language. So here, my Google Map is set to Nigeria. You can make yours any other country, like I already mentioned, the United States, Canada, India, Bangladesh, just wherever. And just in case you don't already have a Google Map installed on your device, or you don't know where to find Google Map on your desktop, come over to the Google apps here, and here is your map app. So now you can decide to target a small city within the country that you want to track. But here, since I'm using Nigeria, I will just go ahead and track Lagos. That is the biggest city in Nigeria, just in case you want to visit Nigeria. And okay, I will go with Ikeja. So now I want to start looking for small businesses in Ikeja, Lagos, but I'm lost. Where do I even begin from? Of course, anytime I'm in a situation like this, guess where I used to run to? If you say ChatGPT, then you're correct. So I'll go to ChatGPT and input the prompt. Give me examples of different small businesses in Lagos, Nigeria. And yeah, ChatGPT as usual has bailed me out. So here are about 15 different small businesses in Lagos that I can begin to track. So you really want to get a list like this because you want to find as many businesses as you possibly can, and remember that the more businesses you track, the more potential you have to make money. From this list, I can decide to go for boutique clothing store, I can go for mobile food truck, event planning service, computer repair shop, or just anyone randomly from the list here. So here, let me go with, I think I love fitness studio. So to track this business and make money in return, I will come here on the Google Map and type in fitness studio in Ikeja, Lagos. Okay, so here we have, Google Map has given us a list of fitness studios, businesses in Ikeja, Lagos. There are a couple of things I will want to put into consideration to make this data to work for me to make money. But before I tell you, please like this video now, and if you do, you will be contributing immensely to the growth of my channel, and I will really appreciate you. Also, if you want more legit make money videos like this one, then why not subscribe to this channel and turn on the alert bell so you get to know when I release my videos. So I hope we are not lost here. The first thing we want to do here is to look out for businesses that are ranking very low on this search result and those that have unclaimed or incomplete business account information. Stay on because I will explain what I mean by that in a moment. Also, you want to look for businesses that have low reviews. By low reviews, I mean anything under 10 reviews here. So that is why sometimes we might want to choose smaller cities, because there are tendencies that businesses in larger cities might have larger reviews, which will make tracking and earning a little bit more competitive for us. But this is even one of the reasons why I love tracking businesses in a country like Nigeria, because there are a lot of businesses that lack these Google reviews, even the larger businesses in the larger cities. But even if you have to pick businesses with larger than 10 reviews, just make sure that you choose the ones with the relatively smallest reviews in the business categories you have searched for, and also make sure that such businesses have incomplete Google listing information. So again, another factor to consider before picking which business to track is to be sure to pick businesses that are not ranking top when we search for that business category, as we did a while ago for fitness studios. So you will usually try to scroll to the bottom of the result page or even next pages to choose the business that you want to track. So okay, let's look at this. I will scroll down to check up on the information provided. Okay, this business seems to have some photos but no business website. Okay, one major thing I notice here is that though they have very recent reviews, but this business is not replying to reviews. So non-response to review is another point to really note down here while tracking. So I will just note this business down and go hunt for even better ones. So just so you get it more clearly, let me peep through my ChatGPT generated list again, and this time go for, okay, let me go for something very traditional. Let's use car wash. So I will return to my Google map and type in car wash near Ikeja, Lagos. And again, there are tons of car wash businesses that come up, as you can see. I will leave out all of these businesses with high reviews and ranking top and scroll really down to target the ones with less data that are ranking low. So I will scroll down. Okay, let me check up on this one. OLAB Integrated Resources with 8 reviews. So to get more details about this business, I will click on it. And here, more details pop out for me. Again, don't worry about this data if you don't see them on your own result. It's because I have a special Chrome extension installed on my browser. But anyways, I will scroll down to check up on the information provided. Okay, this business seems to have some photos but no business website. So go ahead, find more businesses like this one that I just analyzed and note them down. The more of this kind of businesses you have on your list, the more money you will be able to make from these business trackings. And remember, if you are perhaps in Nigeria, you don't have to limit this tracking to only Nigerian businesses. You can stretch out to businesses in the US, in the UK, Canada, and just anywhere. Even though starting out with local based businesses could really be easier for you, and then as you make more money, you can go tracking businesses in other countries. So now you want to ask me, guy, how are we going to be making money from all these businesses on our list? Good question. So what we want to do next after we have made our list is that we want to contact these businesses and offer them our service. And our service is going to entail helping their businesses to be found by the right customers on Google, helping them to rank higher in search results, helping them to claim their businesses, helping them to make their profile look nice, because 99% of the time when people are searching for new businesses to patronize, one place they always go to make such searches is on Google. I know what you could be saying, but hey guy, I know nothing about Google business profile or any of these things that you have just mentioned. Well, it may interest you to know that these things are easier than you ever thought. Personally, I have noticed that the will to take action is the most difficult things when it comes to making money online. And the guys that make money are the guys that take action. So the first way to solve this worry of yours, how do I work around this, is that there are simple ways to learn to fix these issues for these businesses. It's so easy that I could even teach you. But just for those of you guys that are crazy about taking action and you want to make money from this business within the next 1 week, I will strongly recommend that you should try your hands on the free Google business profile course offered by Google to learn this skill. For example, this skill by Google is just about 45 minutes course. pretty easy course, honestly, and it's free. And though you can find tips all over YouTube, but if you take this Google course, you will be a certified Google business profile expert with Google certification. This alone gives you a massive edge to get new customers, especially international customers, because they know that, hey, this guy is on Google, is certified, is a real guy, or she's a real babe. So just in case you want to check out on this course, then I will leave the link to the course in the video description. And if you want me to train you, then why not reach out to me? I will link my contact details also in the video description, and I will be willing to help you get this business started. So now let me roll back a bit. So let's say that the first thing here is that you have identified this skill, learn it, and then you have taken the course, and now you have identified a couple of businesses you want to approach. So what do we do next? Now, if you go back to the title of this video, I promise that you can make between $100 to $300 or more in 4 hours. So if you want to make your first $100 or its equivalent amount in other currencies in 4 hours with this skill, then one of the fastest way to do so is to go ahead and call these businesses and offer your service to them. Usually their contact information will always be on their Google listing profile where you did your tracking. And sincerely, that was how I started this business over 2 years ago. And here is a spreadsheet of some of the businesses I started with. I just pulled this out of my Google Drive, and I did this 2 years ago. But just in case you are finding it a bit challenging to make calls, I quite understand. Another option is for you to mail them, though this is a bit slower method, but it also works. And truth be told, many of them may not have their email addresses or even an active phone number on their Google profile page. You can always find their contact details also on their social media pages, on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, TikTok, anywhere, because we got to find them. And trust me, they are not far away. That's just the little work you have to put into it. If you present yourself well as an expert, I'm talking from personal experience, this is a type of business that will get you your first 5 sales in less than 5 hours. You just go ahead and try it out. And just in case you want to take this business to the next level and find businesses abroad, then go ahead, because this is even where you get to earn more. So, will you give this a try? Let me know your response in the comment section. On this screen, you are going to see more Make Money Online videos. You can check them up. I will also appreciate if you can like this video if you have not done so already. And if you want more, then why not subscribe to this channel?